Hey everyone, my name is Fallon, and if you don't know who I am, let me introduce myself. I am 26 years old and I am starting at the Aveda Institute of Sciences for my cosmetology degree. I've went through my first week of classes and we got our kits, so I wanted to do a video on what's in the kit and what they give you to get you started on your journey of being a cosmetologist. So far, I'm in love with it. I totally think that it is the right move for me. So I just want to get into all the stuff because it's quite a lot of stuff they give you, but they give you everything you need to get started. And the only things I don't have with me today are my 6 mannequin heads. You get 6 mannequin heads of all different hair types that you practice on and things like that. The first thing that comes in your kit is a backpack. They said you don't need anything from school to bring from home. You need your pen, yourself, and like a notebook of some sort. So here is the backpack. It's a really nice backpack as well. It says Aveda Arts and Science Institute, and then they also gave me these 3 pins I just put on my backpack. Love this. Also give you an iPad. This is where your textbook is. This is where you'll be taking tests and things of the nature. So right now I just have it in my case. I do believe they're gonna give us a case, but because they're the new iPads, they don't have any right now. So they give you an iPad. This is the newest generation. They gave me this bag that I broke. That's in this bag is a clipboard. That's very official. I love that. A coloring brush. I think I was supposed to have 2 in here and I only have 1. I lied. 2 coloring brushes, 2 coloring bowls, a bunch of stickers, some more stickers, and this bottle. I'm assuming for color bottle. This is our kit. It says on the front, Aveda Arts and Sciences Institute. I just colored the Arts and Sciences Institute black because everyone gets the same thing, so I had to make mine a little different from everyone else's so I knew which one's mine. This is a suitcase. It's a duffel bag, but it has rollers on it. It's a suitcase because there's a lot of things in here. It was like Christmas morning when we were opening this up. I was in love. But we're going to get into this. I don't know exactly how much this kit is. I think it's like $1,500. So the total of you know, your courses and everything, I think it comes out to like $20,000 to take the course, or to take the to get your degree. I believe it's like $20,000, and then it's like 15 to 18 for the kit, $100 for the kit. So the first thing in here is a mannequin head. It's called a snap wig, I believe. So this is Delilah, and you take her head off and put the cap on. You are gonna get a hair dryer, a blow dryer. This is the Parlux 3200 Plus. The blow dryer comes with these 2 parts, and then along with that is a diffuser. I use diffusers on my hair, so I was really happy to get a new one. I'm not looking at the camera, I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself. So if I'm looking over here, that's why, so I'm looking at myself. These are pins for pin curls. This is a mirror, an Aveda mirror. Love it. So we've got a pack of combs, just a bunch of different types of combs. This is a continuous mister bottle to wet the client's hair. This is feather styling razor. We've got a balayage brush, some tweezers. These are my shears. Now I'm left-handed, so I got a pair of left-handed shears. Love, absolutely in love. This little bowl for your hand, because in the cosmetology degree you do learn how to do nails as well, you know, and hair, nails, massage, skincare, makeup, It's a very big degree. You can do a lot of things with it, which I really like, and that's kind of why I'm doing it. We've got 2 cakes, a nail scrubber brush. This is the balayage board and bowl, and the board, and this cute little velvet sag with the A for Aveda. You get a mini case. I love it. You can put makeup brushes up here. There's a divider. Then you get this big case. Now in here, I've got a wide tooth comb, a brush with Aveda on it, a paddle brush that's brown. I absolutely love this brush. I was gonna buy this, so I'm so glad I got it. I'm so glad I didn't buy it because they gave it to us. Rat tooth comb, rat tail comb, gold clips to section hair. This is a C501 cushion brush. So it's got the boar bristles and then the regular one with the A for Aveda. 3 round brushes. So there's a big one, a medium-sized one, and a smaller one. We've got this round brush that has some extra boar bristle plus some extra little, I don't know what that's for. I'm not really sure. We've got this comb, and we've got a pick comb. You also are gonna get this. This is a mannequin stand. So essentially you put Delilah that I showed you, you put her on here so you can stick it to the table and do what you gotta do on the head. So finally, I'm gonna get into the hot tools that they give you. Everything, like I said, you're gonna get that is in the kit is what you need to get started. First weekend, and I've already used my brushes, my hot tools. Delilah, I use her, and obviously the iPad too. But they give you this, and this is all of our hot tools in here. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in here, shall we? We've got a professional ceramic curling iron. This is 0.75. Is another curling iron. This is a 1.25 clip curling iron. They're really nice. A flat iron that goes up to 450 degrees. The brand is IZU Tech, IZU Tech. Our clippers. And these are detail trimmers. Or this is a detail trimmer. It's a little. So that is the Aveda kit. That is what you're getting inside of the kit if you choose to go to Aveda. I have definitely made the right decision on my end. I know I'm making the right decision by going to Aveda. I'm really interested in seeing what like Paul Mitchell girlies get and at other places, but I figured this would be a good video for someone who is thinking about going to Aveda for cosmetology school, just to see the goodies that you get. So I figured, duh, why not record it? If I'm going to record anything, it would probably be a good idea to record this. Anyway, I'm blabbing now. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited to get back on YouTube and start pushing out content for you guys. If you are an OG Fallon subscriber and you're still subscribed, you know that little Fallon would have died to go to cosmetology school. I was into makeup and hair really early on, and like I said, if you have been subscribed to me since my 4th grade, you know that this is something that I've always loved to do. So if there's anything that you specifically want to see me do or talk about while I'm at my Aveda, message me or comment down below and let me know. But subscribe, like this video, show some love for me for getting back on YouTube, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!